It's in your cup. If it ain't nothing in your cup, take a motherfucking shot.
Oh, y'all heard what he said. Y'all heard what he said. Coming from the one and only.
The one and only 803. This is my city. USC.
So this ain't y'all city?
I ain't got much to say.
This is my city. I live here.
Hold on.
Man.
Got the body. Wait, what it is, Quiz? What it is? Hold on, got that whole squad out.
And if you're not taking a shot, then what the are you doing?
Hey man, shot o'clock. Everybody take a shot.
Everybody take a shot.
You know what we on, man.
You know what we on, man. Everybody take a shot. Quay, what you got to say, man?
Man, ain't no going on, man. We having that shit, nigga.
No, it ain't. My boy got this scatty now, man. Boy, nothing, man. No cap. Can't tell my boy nothing.
I'm gonna get taxed.
Everybody hit a blunt or something.
I'm with my car today.
Hey. It's old ass Larry back at it again with another banger, man. You know what it is. We got my boy Jairus out here, though. Jairus, the one and only. The one and only. The one and only.
Instagram, entree_6.
Okay. We got my boy, man. Come on, man. You know how we coming, man. Been a long time, man, with the guys. Hold on, y'all. Nah,
God know the I'm time for YouTube.
No cap. Hold on. We got Brody Lid. Who that is, though? Who that is? Hit it, though. Hold on, JC. We got JC in the building. JC, the famous. Hit that shit, JC. No, yeah. Uh-oh.
He was floating that bitch out there interstate.
Hey, what?
He was riding that motherfucker.
Hey, man. We lit with the vibes, y'all. What y'all boys gotta say?
Yo, we lit.
You know we lit.
You already know what it is.
We honor every USC.
Set the feet out, too. Set the feet out. Hold on.
Put that
Put it on.
when you mention new fire, mention put on.
Never step out without that. You feel me?
Okay, man.
Put a camera right here.
JC.
Put a camera right there.
Put it on JC. Hold on. Start from the feet.
Until it free. 3-3.
Hey. Oh, hold on. Turn around.
Slap.
He free, ain't it? Okay, then.
It's backwards now.
Okay, then. Yeah, man. Like I said, man, we is lit with the vibes. We at USC Homecoming, man. We is lit. No cap. No cap.
Hey, we out here.
We out here. No cap. We outside.
We outside. All roads lead to Gola. All roads.
No cap, we is lit. No cap, we is lit. Live and televised. So look, y'all stay ready for man. Look, hold on. Look. Man, we is lit, man. Y'all stay ready for some more content coming soon, man. But look, this the intro. Matter of fact, this ain't even the intro. We just keep rolling. We keep rolling. We got my boy Briggs. Come on, man. We got Conway out here. We outside all weekend. We is lit. We is turned. We is with the vibes, man. No cap. We almost at 4K subscribers. 4K subscribers. Y'all keep liking, comment, subscribing. I know we was going crazy on the content for the what that was. The step show. The step show. I ain't gonna lie. Live, no cap. Look. Oh, my fault. I got you. Hey, so look. So look, come closer. So I ain't gonna lie, what y'all rate this tailgate right now?
We just got here.
Y'all just got here?
I'm rating it an 8.
So look, I ain't gonna lie. On some real, what y'all rate the boys though? She rate them a 0. What? Wait, hold on. Why though? She not playing. What? No, I'm talking about She said they ugly. No. You can't get my ticket. No. I'm hungry too. A piece? Crazy hell.
Oh shit, this is house.
It's $5, cuz. $5? $5 for a piece of chicken. You better wait. Hey, bring me a plate, man. You said what? Bring me a plate. I don't give a hold on. If you not you ain't what the act. What we saying?
Even if you cannot stay, I think you're all the one for me.
Yes, sir.
These niggas getting no money for real. These niggas ain't getting no money for real. For real. For real.
What?
For real.
Tired of seeing, bro. Tired of seeing you, bro. Hey. We do, bro. Wow. What's y'all names, bro? We got that shit. What? We got blue. That what? Hey, bud, don't lie. You know I'm around. You know I'm from the street.
And all you want me to do is fuck to talking about.
Look, dog. Look. Look, here. Here. What, y'all want a pic? Y'all want a pic? No. We taking a pic? You getting a picture? No, really, I don't want to.
Hey, we here for a good time, not a long time. Come on now. Hey, we're ready.
Oh, look at the camera. I ain't wrong. What up, y'all? We at Usc Homecoming, bro. It's lit. The vibes is vibing, bro. The Canes is K'ing. The Dutchess is ready. You already know, bro. It's a good night in USC. It's a good Gamecock day. We live
We on that. Get with it or get left.
All right. Open that bottle, big dog.
Hashtag need that. Need that.
No! No! Hey, say that monkey! Get up, bro! My nigga ain't go! Ain't go! Say that monkey!
Let's go.
Make your ass shut your flow like your legs are broke. Take that big old girl and scrub the crowd. You can do it down, down, down. As long as that pussy ain't stiff.
Live and televised with Mike Larry. Where you at? Hold on, bro. This ain't that water.
Hey, this ain't water.
What is that, bro? You know what you're trying?
You already know.
You know what it is?
Come on, man.
They fought out now.
Yeah.
Let the whole game. We lead today.
We live. We outside with it.
What we doing, bro?
They go on there and take the board? No.
Yo.
No.
Come on, bro.
We lit. Keys, what we doing?
Bitch roll. Bitch roll.
I got on my mother.
Again. Right, bitch.
Say that. Nah, I got a new one, but man, we at USC with it. I don't know what is going on over there, but it's really out the land.
I will, but give me a second.
I need her number. I need her number. You know who this is? Hey,
That's Key for Ropa.
you know who this is?
Key for Ropa.
I think I need her number though.
You better get it.
I think I need. Hey, you know who this is?
It's hard to get. You know, AKA hard to get, you know.
I need her number.
I can see it.
Boy, I gotta get him. That shit
My
on.
Tim's up, bro.
Hold on. That shit on. That shit on. He's hard to fucking touch it on.
Bro. That nigga mine. What up? I agree for sure. Larry! Hey, bro, look at this nigga. Larry, look.
No!